Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see latest pharmaceutical vacancies. So here you can see in this video we are going to see vacancies from IPCA Laboratories, FDC and Ceron Drugs, as well as Biogenta, Granules and Nari Hetero. So likewise vacancies are there. So let us start with first company, which is from Prahas. So this is a walk-in for the new manufacturing plant on 21st and 22nd February at Vadodara, Gujarat. So open positions are, see here you can see lot of vacancies are there in sales, marketing, maintenance, HR, admin, logistics, material stores, quality assurance, quality control, research and development, manufacturing. So new plant, new opportunities, faster career growth, exposure to global IVD markets, strong learning culture, long stability. So please do utilize the opportunity and contact numbers are provided here. Next vacancy is for freshers from IPCA. So they are hiring apprentices for quality control department. If you are having BSc or MSc, you can walk in between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on 17th February. IPCA Laboratories Limited Biotechnology, Industrial Area, Pithampur. And next vacancy is from FDC Limited, MIDC Industrial Area, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. So this is on from 16th to 18th February. You can walk in between these dates 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Qualification ITA Diploma BE 2 to 6 years in sterile ophthalmic and injectable production BFS maintenance. Supervisor to senior executive. Next vacancy is from Ceron Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. So they are hiring for engineering, QC, QA, microbiology and production departments. Experience 2 to 5 years, and QA they are looking for freshers, B Pharmacy and production operator HSC plus ITA and MSc or BSc for QC. Like what vacancies are there, contact numbers are provided here. This is an injectable plant. You can walk in between 21st and 22nd February 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Next vacancy is from Biogenta. So they are hiring for injectables, OSD, QC, microbiology, QA, HR admin, business development, DRA, etc. So please check the details. Next vacancy is from Granules. Vacancy is from Granules. This is a walk-in for production and packing for their OSD formulation unit located in Shamirpet. So on from 16th to 20th February, 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. So interested can directly walk in. Qualification ITA diploma, D Pharma, BSc, 2 to 5 years of experience. Next vacancy is from Nari, celebrating women. They are hiring for Uttarakhand, Rudrapur, production coating operator, officer, senior officer, packing, blister, primary and secondary, packing, blister, primary and secondary officer, senior officers, and warehouse. Next vacancy is for Hetero Biopharma Limited, Jetcherla. Walk-ins are at Bangalore for the following vacancies. Here you can see R&D, USP and DSP. AR&D, production, USP and DSP, production filling, labeling and packing. Date and time 22nd February, Sunday. And next vacancy is from Shri Venkatesh International Limited. This is a walk-in interview for tablets, injections, warehouse, QC, micro and QA. Please do utilize. And these are the job updates as of now. If any, if any fresh job updates are available, I will update you the same. Thank you.